Out of the more than 1,600 cryptocurrencies now available, both Bitcoin and Ethereum are ranked among the top 3. Ethereum may even beat Bitcoin, claims Yahoo Finance, which cites to the platform's bespoke contracts as a more flexible option. But how do the features, uses, and other aspects of Ethereum compare to those of Bitcoin? Here, we'll summarize the information presented in the Simply Learn training video that compares and contrasts Bitcoin and Ethereum. The Internet, according to Milton Friedman, who won the Economics Nobel Prize in 1999, would be one of the major contributors reducing the significance of government. He also thought that the only thing still missing was reliable electronic money. The digital currency Bitcoin was established in 2009, as expected. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency's workings are strikingly similar to those of normal money like the dollar, euro, pound, yen, rupee, and so forth. Fiat money is controlled by a central authority, such a bank or government, but cryptocurrencies are not. This is the main distinction between cryptocurrencies and fiat money. However, the technology behind cryptocurrencies, known as blockchain, which is a database of data organized into units called blocks, is more significant. These transactions are kept public and are arranged chronologically. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that makes it possible to move money internationally. An individual or group going by the name Satoshi Nakamoto initially introduced it in 2009. According to Matt Hogan, Chief Investment Officer at Bitwise Asset Management, a provider of cryptocurrency ETFs and index funds, investors can regard Bitcoin as either a store of value like gold or as a non-sovereign currency you can use for payment. This means, in his opinion, that when you buy Bitcoin, you're buying a monetary asset. In other words, Bitcoin is essentially an alternative kind of currency, according to Thomas Perfumo, head of business operations and strategy at cryptocurrency exchange Kraken. He asserts that what makes it valuable is an exceptionally methodical approach toward decentralization and security through proof-of-work mining. Investors in cryptocurrencies must comprehend proof-of-work. According to Routledge, a decentralized blockchain depends on several parties adding blocks. A centralized financial system, such as a bank or the government, would arise from a single act. In decentralized finance, also referred to as DeFi, many contributors contribute those various blocks, promoting market competition. Routledge claims that it is comparable to a lottery. We choose one of the blocks that each person offers at random. Every 10 periods or so, a new block is introduced. According to him, Bitcoin's proof of work operates this lottery. Ledon Inc. co-founder and chief strategy officer Mauricio Di Bartolomeo claims that this proof-of-work model aims to make Bitcoin a better tool for money. He contends that, for the system to function without a hitch, the Bitcoin protocol needs to be exceedingly robust, resilient, and predictable because it is what is expected of a financial instrument. What is Ethereum? Perfumo states that Ethereum aims to operate as a decentralized world computer that facilitates the deployment of decentralized apps and alternative forms of value, in contrast to this. Mirav Azer, a fintech professor at Rutgers Business School and a blockchain expert, likens Ethereum to iOS or Android in that both are platforms that programmers utilize to build applications. This shows that Ethereum isn't trying to be solely money in the real world, claims Di Bartolomeo. He asserts that the protocol is actually making an effort to act as the planet's cloud computer. Developers can build a variety of things on the Ethereum platform, including as self-executing contracts, DeFi protocols, stablecoins, and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. According to Hogan, the success of many of the products built on the Ethereum platform, such as NFTs, DeFi, and stablecoins, was the reason for the cryptocurrency industry's most recent bull market cycle's strong performance. Azer believes that Ethereum has the potential to become a decentralized operating system that anyone who understands the protocol may create on top of. Routledge contrasts the development of Ethereum with the iPhone by Apple Inc. When the iPhone originally launched in 2007, no one could have predicted how it would affect the taxi industry. Just 2 years after the first iPhone reached store shelves, Uber Technologies Inc. began revolutionizing the transportation sector with its ride-hailing software. Because no one can foresee all the potential applications for the platform, Ethereum, in Routledge's opinion, has the same potential to alter industries as we currently know them. Mining. The proof-of-work method can be used by Bitcoin miners to validate transactions. Ethereum fits into this as well. By resolving a difficult mathematical puzzle, miners from all around the world compete to be the first to add a block to the blockchain via proof of work. Ethereum, however, is making an effort to transition to a different type of transaction validation known as proof of stake. Based on how many coins he has, a person can use proof of stake to mine or validate transactions in a block. As a person's coin holdings grow, so does his mining power. 6.25 bitcoins, the exchange rate established in November 2021, are the prize for adding a block to the network. The miner or validator in Ethereum is paid 3 Ether each time a block is added to the blockchain, and the reward will never be cut in half. Differences between Bitcoin and Ethereum? The utility of the two cryptocurrencies depends on the problems they are each trying to solve. Routledge claims that he enjoys imagining Bitcoin as digital gold. Although it is not inherently advantageous, he asserts that it is valuable and provides an alternative to the current financial system. He equates holding a barrel of oil to having a cryptocurrency. He asserts that it can be processed and is advantageous as a safeguard against rising gas prices. In this way, the development of services for the Ethereum network provides the digital money with a new application. In addition to being the first cryptocurrency ever, Adam Z, head of digital assets at ETF provider Global X, says that its formative years coincided with two historic economic crises, is a significant element in Bitcoin's current allure. These calamities highlighted the two main issues with the traditional financial ecosystem: accessibility and trustworthiness. Z claims that Bitcoin resolves these problems by making it possible to transact globally without the aid of a centralized organization or financial intermediary. Not to mention, all you need to participate is an internet connection. Ethereum's merge, and what it means for investors. Through a procedure known as the merge, Ethereum will change from being a proof-of-work platform to a proof-of-stake platform. The first stage of this change will now officially end in September 2022, it has been agreed. Instead of using computing power to finish the blockchain, developers now need to have a certain amount of Ether token in order for their block to be approved because Ethereum switched to proof of stake. Proof of work has been successful and has aided Bitcoin's development, but Routledge contends that it must perform better now that cryptocurrency is a billion-dollar industry. Investors should be aware that moving from one legacy system to another is difficult and that there may be some hiccups along the way. However, no one can be assured of that. She says, hopefully, nothing that will cost people a lot of money. Di Bartolomeo asserts that the merger will happen in stages since it would be impossible to try and modify an airplane's engine while it is in the air. He claims that rather than shutting down the first engine to preserve altitude, Ethereum is turning on the second engine first. Hogan says that the market is taking the impending merger into account. He sees the following three things happening. The combination will lower Ethereum's carbon emissions by at least 99%, reduce the annual generation of new Ether by around 70% to 75%, and increase the appeal of cryptocurrency to investors who are worried about ESG, or environmental, social, and governance factors. According to him, the market may also see institutional money pour into ETH as a result. Following the merger, according to Hogan, investors in ETH might see a return as high as 8% to 12%. Bitcoin versus Ethereum. The argument between Bitcoin and Ethereum is gaining more and more attention these days. The virtual money known as Bitcoin has grown significantly in popularity and acceptance across the globe. It also has the biggest market cap out of all the cryptocurrencies that are currently accessible. In a way, it is the current world champion in the cryptocurrency space. In contrast, Ethereum is on the other side. Although the creator of Ethereum took inspiration from Bitcoin and added more features based on its principles, it did not have the same revolutionary effects as Bitcoin. The second most expensive cryptocurrency now in circulation is that one. So, which is a better investment, Bitcoin or Ethereum? According to Ozair, the fact that Bitcoin was the first means that she believes it will always be significant. Despite its problems, she thinks Ethereum has a lot of potential. According to Hogan, Ethereum is the crypto asset of choice for the next 12 months. The integration won't, however, be the last development for Ethereum, he claims. Over the next few years, Ethereum is likely to gain the ability to increase transactions by a factor of 1,000 or more. Routledge advises investors to put together a well-diversified portfolio for themselves. He goes on to explain that at some point in the future, both Bitcoin and Ethereum may very well be included in the portfolio. Bitcoin or Ethereum? Which one is better? Which of the two cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin or Ethereum, is better depends on what you need from a cryptocurrency. Ethereum performs wonderfully when it comes to creating distributed apps and smart contracts, while Bitcoin performs better as a peer-to-peer transaction system. You are completely free to choose between Ethereum and Bitcoin as the winner. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.